At this point, we will call seven of Chelsea's friends who will give her flowers. Let me introduce to you William Gabriel Cole. A round of applause, please, for William. William is a twin brother, and they were born on December 23, 2003 in the city of Manila. Mrs. Evangeline Cole is a proud mom who encourages William to pursue his dream of becoming a doctor. He will be a great student this school year Gian Matthew Rosales was born on December 9, 2004 in Arthur Layton. Mr. Ryu and Mrs. Rosa and Lyria Rosales knows that their child is good in sport, and it is no surprise that he would want to be a soccer player in the future. Gian Matthew is a great student at Bangalore. The third pair is Alea Chame Derecho and Anderson Versosa. Alea Chame Derecho is inspired to become a chef and a doctor someday. She is an only child born on February 15, 2004 in Caloocan City, and his parents are Mr. and Mrs. Ronald Booth. Anderson would like to be a basketball player someday. He is the youngest child of Mr. Eliasar and Mrs. Herbie Versosa, and he was born last June 16, 2004 in Tacloban City. Both Alea Chami and Anderson are classmates at Bangalore. Our next pair is Ashley Zaina Divaira and Marco Gabriel Colliantes. A round of applause, please. Ashley Zaina Divaira would like to help people and hopes to become a doctor someday. She was born last July 18, 2004 in Tacloban City to Mr. Arvin and Mrs. Mylene Divaira. For now, she enjoys the privilege of being an only child. Marco Gabriel Colliantes also would like to help other people by becoming a missionary doctor someday. He was born last April 21, 2004 to Alvin and Jermaine Colliantes. Ashley and Marco are classmates at Bethel, and they are in grade 2 in the school year. Marco still enjoys the privilege of being an only child. Following next, may we call Adriana Isabel Alves and Ethan Rafael Mabute. A round of applause, please, for Adriana and Ethan. Adriana Isabel Alves was born last May 24, 2005 in Tacloban City. His parents are Mr. Efren Ian and Mrs. Jenny Ann Alves. Adriana is the eldest child of the couple, and she's a grade student at CIE. Someday, Adriana hopes to help children get healed of their sickness by becoming a pediatrician. Ethan Rafael Mamuti was born on July 28, 2004. His parents are Mr. Emmanuel and Mrs. Mylene Mamuti. They acknowledge that their son's artistic talents, that's why he would like to be an artist and an author someday. He's an only child and will be a great student at Bethel. Our sixth pair is Jermarie Paunelian and Angelo Parado. A round of applause, please. Jermarie is a grade 2 student at Sped Center. She was born on May 4, 2005 in Tacloban City. Her parents hope that Jermarie's wish to become a teacher or a chef someday will come true. Who knows, she may turn out to be a chef instructor. Jermarie is an only child of Mr. Jesse and Mrs. Maribel Paunelian. Angela Parado is a grade 2 student at Bethel. She was born on December 10, 2004 in Pano. Angela dreams of helping justice to people, and he wants to become a lawyer someday. He's an only child of Angela Ricardo and Mrs. Lucina Parado. to become a career woman someday and have a family of her own. But now that she's still a child, they want to give her the best so she will be able to enjoy childhood and create unforgettable memories that she can treasure for the rest of her life. They want to surround her with good, loving, and honest people who will serve as an inspiration to her. This school year, she will be a grade 2 student at Bethel International School.